does a choo-choo train say?
No.
How's it go? How to say? Tell Daddy how a choo-choo train goes. How does that? What does a choo-choo train say? Hey, choo-choo. Gabe, show me how a choo-choo train goes. Oh, we gotta get your belly then. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to tickle you. I think I'm gonna have to tickle you. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1 tickle tickle. 2 tickle tickles. 3 tickle tickles. Say Popeye.
Popeye, say Popeye.
What sound does a chicken make? What's a chicken make? What sound does a cow make?
Cow.
Moo, that's right. What sound does a pig make?
Pig.
What sound does a doggy make?
What?
Yes. What sound does a cat make?
Cat.
Yep. Meow. What sound does Curious George make? What sound does George make? What is George?
Yeah.
He's a monkey. You say dump truck? Do you know how to do the itsy bitsy spider? No, you don't know how to? Itsy bitsy spider, down came the rain, spider out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider, cut up the spout again. Yay. What's big? What's small? You're so smart. What's big?